Hey, look who we got.
I've been on the electric dirt bike, which is amazing. Almost crashed like 3 times. Just sliding it in the mud.
So much torque and power. It shoots a rooster tail constantly, like
Really?
30 feet back. Wow. And it just digs a hole if you...
So it's working good now.
I want to play around with the suspension because, wow, does it suck. So it's light. So with the suspension, it's too strong. You got to try this thing.
Oh, I'm excited, man.
We've only been in medium with that thing, and it's done about 80 miles an hour in medium.
In medium.
So
125 in there. So I'm told. No failures this weekend, boys. No failures.
12 seconds later.
Where the curse of Durhamtown persists.
Rick.
It's been perfect. Literally perfect. I intentionally bombed the back end of this thing as hard as I could in Florida. Could not get these things to pop out or leak or move or anything.
And you're on this trail for 5 minutes. Not even 5 minutes.
2 minutes.
One little jump and then around a turn.
Prepare number 1.
Are these gonna hold?
I don't know, man. That one's bowing.
That's fine.
It'll be fine.
What are these rated for, by the way?
800 pounds.
Oops.
I got work gloves.
So as you can see down from the ramps, what's the consensus?
Got enough pressure on it where I can't force the thing loose. I'm gonna say it probably loosened itself up on the dyno.
20 minutes later.
Got the drone in the air. That means it's time to go.
Yeah, I think I got it.
All right, man. I'm just taking it real easy. Drone going up. We got the Odyssey going out. Ooh. You're getting good, man.
Good air. Yeah, good footage.
Day 2.
What say you, YouTubers?
I had some slight issues with my engine where we got back and it just refused to kick over. I had a wrench on the crank and I just could not spin it. But we let it cool down and now it fires up. So
Have you fired it up yet this morning?
yeah, it'll be good.
I just didn't want to film too much the first day because if I had a broken machine, I wasn't going to be able to film day 2 and day 3. This side of the CV has never been a problem before, but it became a problem. Anyway, we got it straightened out, and we think we're going to hit some trails this morning.
It'll sit.
Little trail mishap.
Y'all part of that?
I didn't see what happened. I didn't see the crash because they just left me and there was so much dust. I don't know this trail. I'm not pushing it.
I got to hit some single track. Looking for you when you disappeared. We got to go try out some new trails I've never been on. It was a lot of fun.
Later.
He reversed on this thing. There she goes. Love this bike. This thing can do.
You didn't see that.
I think that's this thing.
We are out at the drag strip. We've got RatherBwelding against Dirt Gear TV on their homemade buggies.
He know what me mean when me say car no go?
trying to launch, but as soon as I let the clutch out, it's like, then it will go.
I underestimated you.
Yeah, well, maybe next time you will estimate me.
You won the first time. The second one he won, and then you tied at the end.
Dude, you wheelied.
Yeah.
You had both wheels off the ground. That was impressive.
Mission accomplished.
That was really cool.
What happened with the first one?
So on number 1 and 3, I did not flat shift.
Yeah.
Only the second race, I actually carried boost into second.
Yeah.
And that was the definitive.
What's the flat shift?
So it's got a blow-off valve on the turbo.
Yeah.
So when you lift it, what you do, you just leave the throttle completely buried, and it's just a second red line. So it'll pull ignition to keep the red line at like 5,500 RPM, and then it holds that boost. As soon as you're in gear, you let go, and it's got the boost ready.
So who won?
So,
Because we couldn't see it from down here with the
So it was a tie on the last one. He won the first one. Rick won the second one. So it was a tie.
That means a grudge match tomorrow.
That's it.
Round 2.
yeah.
Instead of that for a sunset match. Yay.
That was really awesome. That guy let us do that.
Yeah, he was all no until he saw the cars.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Those aren't Kawasaki's.